Hi there, and welcome to Little Builders at Creative Maple Woodworks. Today, we started a new apprentice in the woodshop. Our oldest daughter loves to create, draw, and make things, so I thought she would have a great time helping me in the shop. Maria and I always try to do something fun and out of the ordinary on our weekends. This week, we made scrap wood sculptures. I just happened to have a few cutoffs from a project that would be perfect for this. You can really use anything. It doesn't even have to be wood. When I told this little one that she was going to get to go down in the shop with me, she got really excited and grabbed her bag of play tools. With this being her first time in the shop, she was not a fan of wearing the earmuffs and safety glasses. We compromised that she could wear just the earmuffs as long as she stood in the doorway about 15 feet away from the saw while it was running. Safety is number one in our shop. I always wear a pair of earmuffs and safety glasses. I started by cutting down the pieces to a manageable size for little hands. Our little builder is 4, but we also have to consider her 1- and 3-year-old siblings. Once the pieces are cut, I sanded them down to avoid splinters. This is also a perfect job for little builders to feel helpful. Then, it was time to assemble. We used the hot glue gun to attach pieces of wood.
Okay, show me the way you're putting the wood on there.
I let them choose their own placement for every piece,
Like that?
and tried to provide guidance only when necessary. This allowed their artistic sides to
Go
show
ahead, put it on there.
and let them discover what worked and what didn't on their own.
Make them smile!
We used a low-temperature glue gun with some general-purpose glue. It seems to work well. We did, however, end up with one minor burn when one of the girls decided to grab the tip of the glue gun. A quick run under some cold water took the sting right out. We also used these silicone fingertips. They help to protect the kids from coming in direct contact with the hot glue when placing pieces on their sculpture.
It doesn't stick.
Nope, it doesn't stick and it won't burn you.
You can find them on Amazon for about $5.
The things we do for art.
These kids had some unique ideas, and it was fun to see how differently they approached their sculptures.
Yeah, I want it. Now where do you want the bottle? Can you put it on there like you want it? Or like that? Okay. All right, ready?
They had a great time and came out of the experience with something that they are proud of.
1, 2,
Plus, we got some daddy-daughter time, which I love just as much as they do.
6,
Okay.
11.
If you decide to do something like this, just remember to go with the flow. Nothing ever goes as planned, and it can be a ton of fun if you don't take it too seriously. We have a few other projects planned for our little builders. Hit the notification button so you can see when we post a new video. Until next time, stay safe and have fun building together.
Tell me about your sculpture, Cece.
Look on the top because it's Haunted Tower. The end.
The end. Wow, okay. What else? Can you tell me other things that are on there?
No, that's the end.
Okay.